What's up, everybody? Welcome to Black Friday. Everyone is freaking out. Everyone's scared. Everyone's selling. Everyone's panicking. What is going on? Well, let me explain. So, I've been doing a little bit of research. Yes, I woke up and I saw the sea of red, which is pretty normal, right? This is crypto, I believe, the last time I checked. And you cannot expect seas of green without seeing seas of red. We have seen a lot of green, a lot of growth, a lot of expansion in the past few weeks and the last months, to be honest. And we have to expect pullback. See what people, the issue with crypto and having all this new money come in, all these, and by new money I mean new investors, people who aren't used to trading and investing and knowing that there must be pullbacks, and for people to understand that a pullback or a drop in price does not mean that the company or that the asset is failing. It simply means that there's people, well, it can mean that. It can in specific situations. Now, this situation is probably not one of those. Why? There's no reason. We're not in a recession yet. We haven't hit any specific roadblocks. There's all it simply is people are taking profit. There's the whales who have been holding. I've been talking about this. There's people who are taking profit. And just how yesterday was such a big sea of green, well, now we see a sea of red as people kind of take profit and pull back. So I wanted to read off something that I saw this morning, and it's about France seeking to regulate crypto. And they want to initiate a debate at the G20 summit. They want to speak basically with the United Nations and all the countries involved to kind of speak with Argentina on kind of cracking down on crypto and really starting to regulate it. And let's see, it says that according to Reuters, Bruno Le Maire, I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Bruno wishes to discuss efforts to regulate Bitcoin and other digital currencies at the G20 summit, which will take place in April of 2018. Okay, so we're roughly 4 months away from this. And this is quoted from him, I believe. It says, I'm going to propose the next G20 summit president, Argentina, that the G20 summit in April, to discuss altogether the question of Bitcoin. There is evidently a risk of speculation. We need to consider and examine this and how, with altogether, the G20 members can regulate Bitcoin. So he's trying to ask, he wants to get all of the presidents and all of the members of the G20. I believe G20 stands for 20 countries that are involved. I believe that what he wants to do is he wants to get all the presidents to kind of speak to the president of Argentina. As we know, the president Argentina has been pretty active in trying to kind of implement crypto, and we now have Venezuela. They're not going to talk to Venezuela. Venezuela isn't even part of the G20. Neither would they ever. But that's not our point. The point is that they are trying to regulate, right? And this came out this morning. I believe the president of France, I believe, or sorry, he's not the president. Le Maire. He's I don't know who he is, but he's something from France, and he's trying to talk to the presidents to regulate it. And this happened either yesterday or today, which means that this could have been a big reason that the drop happened. This could have been a little bit of fear that caused a big sell-off, maybe a big whale in France, who knows. So I saw that, and then I also check every morning. I check my Forex kind of news and outlets, and I see, because Bitcoin is so big and cryptocurrencies are so big right now that even all of the other financial outlets and institutions, they're all talking about cryptocurrencies because it's crazy, it's insane. And so there's an ad right here that says the CBOE is the big winner today in Bitcoin's rout. Bitcoin trading volumes today in the CBOE, that's the Chicago, what was it? The Chicago Bank CBOE. CBOE is the Chicago Board Options Exchange. So the Chicago Board Options Exchange is looking to... Okay, I'm going to cut that out. Okay, so Bitcoin trading volumes today at the Chicago Bitcoin Exchange... Oh, cut that out again. Okay, ready? So it seems that volumes have doubled in the trading volumes for the Chicago I think it's the Chicago Bank. Fuck me. Chicago Board of Exchanges. Okay, starting over. Okay, so the Chicago Board of Exchanges has said that volume has nearly doubled for Bitcoin trading in the more than the previous few days. With a couple hours of trading to go, more than 11,000 contracts have changed hands. That is up from yesterday's previous record of 4,600 contracts. So we see that there's more contracts being exchanged, which means there could be more short selling. There could be people transferring their money, as in they decided to sell the physical assets of crypto. Maybe they're just going to contracts. Who knows? That could be a case. I'm not sure. I don't believe that's the case. I believe that there's just a big sell-off because it's inevitable. The trees don't go to the sky forever. They don't go to the sky, period. But they don't. The whole point is that there has to be pullbacks. There has to be points where people take profit along the way of where we see crypto going. And so to me, this is just a discount, okay? It says now it's only the 11th day of trading, but it looks to me that many would-be futures buyers were looking to buy the dip. That's a good sign for the contract, but if it's an indication of the underlying demand for Bitcoin longs, then it's a good sign for price as well. The one worry is that investors could be leaving physical Bitcoin for derivatives. Exactly what I just said. So the worry is that people could actually leave investing in physical Bitcoin, as in buying Bitcoin and Litecoin and altcoins and putting them in wallets, and could leave that to instead buy and invest in the derivatives, which is the futures, the CBOE, what the CBOE handles. So this could be another thing that adds on to the fact of the rise, the president, or no, sorry, that gentleman from France trying to speak at the G20 summit on regulating crypto. So there's a lot of FUD and fear being spread, and to me, this is awesome. I think to any of the people who have been in crypto long enough, this is a good thing. We know we're happy right now. I'm like out there. I just went and bought more Bitcoin to exchange into altcoins right now, because to me this is a fire sale. Like I purposely went out and pulled out money that I really told myself I wasn't going to use, and I pulled it out because of the discount price. So we'll see how it goes. I believe in the technology. I believe in the community. I believe in where crypto's going. So it doesn't matter to me how low the price goes. It's actually a good thing. It's kind of like a Christmas camera. It's a Christmas gift. To me, this is a Christmas gift. Christmas has come early. I'm getting the discount I need to make a little more profit in 2018, more than I anticipated. So this is good if you see it like that. Of course, you should always, always, always have your own opinion. Never make your decision based off any YouTuber or anyone. This should be solely off you.